So an owl flew into the greenhouse and then ran into the wall. It's alive, but not looking too good. So I'm gonna see if I can't get it in a box to take it to the bird rescue. Yeah, this thing's hurt. Into the box we go. It kind of perked up as I put it down in the box. Sylvester has no idea what just happened. Did you see this?
That's
clear eyelid?
Are like this, like literally.
I want to open it up more and look in there.
Probably
really jump.
And then he'd run into the fan, and we have all of the.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
All right, I got the owl in the box in the back seat, heading to Wild Bird Rescue. We've got a great local bird rescue. I already called the director. Just gonna drop it off, and they're gonna be there in a few minutes to check it out and hopefully rehab it and get it released soon. Now this owl, it's got some really sharp talons. I would say it has a ton of sharp talons, so I'm gonna name him Owl Sharpton. All right, out here at Wild Bird Rescue. Hey, look, there's a bird. Let me see. Got a hawk over there. Anyway, they're not open yet. Director's gonna be here in just a few minutes. He told me I could go ahead and drop off. They've got a drop-off building in here where you can leave animals when they're closed and they'll get to them as soon as they get here. So that's where he's gonna go. All right, so we're inside the drop-off facility and Al Sharpton seems way more alert. Well, did. Now he's got one eye closed, but he's been moving around a little more. So hopefully everything's gonna be good. Wild Bird Rescue, great organization, great people. They're always needing volunteers if you like to volunteer with this type of work. They also love donations, so you can talk to them and reach out and figure out financial donations or any other type of material that they need for the rescue to help out local native birds to our area. So yeah, we'll keep you posted on how Al Sharpton ends up doing, and hopefully we get a good release.